So then guys, great news! Because of the success of the MacBook Neo, Apple are looking to make a MacBook Neo 2 and it could be coming sooner than you think. And today I want to go over all the details for this new MacBook Neo with all its upgrades and also tell you the potential of its release date and price too. So first of all, let's quickly talk about where we are with the MacBook Neo. Way back in March time, this is when we actually got the release of the MacBook Neo, and it has been an instant success since the day it got launched. It was sold out super fast, and in fact, the last time I checked, it's still a matter that you have to wait a few days at least to get one. Obviously, you can walk into some stores and pick it up. There is stock available, but they've been selling so well, the MacBook Neos, and in fact, Apple even admitted that this has been the best-selling launch MacBook they've ever had in their history. And no wonder that is the case because of the price what comes with it. You can pick up this MacBook Neo for $599 US, or you can even pick it up for $499 US if you have a education discount. You get $100 off that, and for the money it's absolutely superb. There is also another version for $100 more, which gives you double the amount of storage, plus also gives you Touch ID too. But this MacBook Neo has got a lovely aluminum or aluminium kind of chassis all around it. It is with premium quality, gives you a great retina display, and for the price it's absolutely amazing, and for who the users are intended for, it's great too. But the thing is though, a lot of you guys are wondering, what about a MacBook Neo 2? What kind of upgrades are we likely to see there? Well, let's cover that first of all. Now, the first thing I'm going to say about the MacBook Neo 2 from what we've been hearing with leaks is there's going to be no design changes whatsoever. So if you are expecting a backlit keyboard, it's not going to happen anytime soon. If you're expecting a larger model to come out, maybe, I don't know, a 15-inch version, it's not going to happen. If you're expecting a haptic trackpad, it's not going to happen. You get the idea here. ProMotion OLED displays, you name it, it's not going to happen. Even the USB ports on the side, you're still going to get USB 3 and also USB 2, and also no MagSafe being added anytime soon. It's going to be exactly the same. The main change of what's going to happen with the MacBook Neo 2 is to do with the chip inside. The chip is going to be upgraded from an A18 Pro to an A19 Pro. Now, more than likely what this A19 Pro is going to be a bin down version. It's going to be very similar to the kind of chip we've got in the iPhone Air right now. What I'm talking about here is that we've actually got the likes of a 6-core CPU. So this is going to be 4 efficiency cores, 2 performance cores, but then for the GPU element, we've got a 5-core GPU instead of a 6-core like we have in the iPhone 17 Pro models. And this is exactly what we have with the A18 Pro. We actually have a bin down GPU core. One is missing right now, and it's going to be exactly the same scenario with the A19 Pro. Now, another big advantage what we're also going to get with this A19 Pro is we're going to get 50% more RAM. This means instead of 8 GB of RAM, it will be 12 GB of RAM. And with having this enabled in this MacBook, it does mean that Apple will be able to give this MacBook the abilities such like the new Siri AI was out. And remember, the minimum requirement of this is that you do have to have say an M3 with at least say 12 GB of RAM, or you've got to have the latest A chip, the A19 chip with at least 12 GB of RAM. And this is exactly what this phone's going to get here. So this is really, really great to see that we are going to get this, and you'll get all of its abilities that has been announced for macOS 27 this year when it does get released. But first, just quickly guys, I want to tell you about the 2 channel giveaways that we are doing. That's right, there are 2 of them. The first one is for new members who have joined this channel, and we are going to be giving away an iPhone 17 Pro Max to 1 lucky member on this channel when we get to 1,500 members, and that's really good chances that you could win this. Now, like I said, it's for any new members. If you haven't been a member yet, you can join right below. The other great thing about being a member is you'll get behind the scene things. You'll also see renders and other things before anybody else, and this is going to be a great thing to do to potentially get the new iPhone 17 Pro Max 2. But like I said, we do have a second giveaway, and it is also for this right here. It's for a MacBook Air, and this is a 15-inch one, and this has got an M4, and it's also got the likes of 24 gigabytes, around 512 gigabytes of storage. And I'm giving this away to one lucky subscriber when we get to 850,000 subscribers. And all you have to do to enter in for this giveaway is just put down some comments below of what technology gear you're hoping to get in 2026. Maybe it's a new iPhone, a new MacBook, maybe it's got nothing to do with Apple whatsoever. It could be a Nintendo Switch 2, a PS5, whatever it is, put it down in the comments below. But you also got to make sure you're a subscriber as well, because obviously I'm giving this away to one lucky subscriber. The other thing I'd also encourage you to do is share this video with your families and friends, because the sooner we get to 850,000 subscribers, the sooner we can give this away. The same with also being a member as well. The sooner we get more members, the sooner I can give this away. Now, the other thing I just want to quickly say is obviously the chances of this is about a 1 in 850,000 chance, whereas this one is about a 1 in 1,500 chance. So the odds of this are far better if you become a member. So yeah, just be aware of that too. But when we do get to 850,000 subscribers on this one, I will be making a video on this channel giving more details about the giveaway, including a form to fill in too. So like I said, make sure you subscribe to this channel, get your friends and family to do it, and hit that notification bell, because you won't want to miss out on that video when I announce when I do the live stream for this giveaway. Now, the last thing I just want to quickly say is sadly there are still lots of scammers and spammers out there, people still impersonating you, telling you to WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram direct message. Please do ignore these people, best to see right here. Please do report them. So moving on from this then, what about the release date and price? Well, let's talk about the release date first of all. Due to the success of the MacBook Neo, I'm expecting that Apple are probably going to do something very similar and release the next version probably about a year later. So the good news is that the earliest we could see this new MacBook Neo 2 is going to be about March or April 2027. But there is the possibility that Apple could prolong its life to be a little bit longer. They've done this with like the iPad, what has the A16, to give it like an 18-month life. So they could actually push it out to actually launch after the summer of 2027. Personally, I definitely going to do that, because they've got the iPhone kind of 20 coming out, and that's going to be a massive launch, and they obviously don't want to just have this hiding in around with that launch. They want to get this out, and they want to expose it big. They don't want, say, another product to hide this away, as it were. So personally, I think it's going to come out in springtime 2027, especially the A19 Pro probably will not be in production anytime soon after that point, because it'll be on A20 Pro instead. So Apple have to put those chips somewhere, and why not put it in the MacBook, you know, Neo, and then release it. So that is probably going to be the scenario, what is going to happen there. But then the next question you're going to ask about, and that is to do with pricing. Now, we've actually heard some rumors from Apple that they are thinking of ditching the lower version of the MacBook Neo. So the one that costs, you know, $599 US or $499 US with the educator's discount, it looks like they could actually get rid of this altogether and just offer the one version with 512 gigabytes of storage, and it also has the Touch ID button too. But that means then the cheapest you'll be able to pick up one of it is $699 US, or with the educator's discount, $599 US. So that is the possibility that we could also see. But you never know, things could sort themselves out with, you know, DRAM coming down in cost, and also NAND storage coming down in cost by next year, potentially, who knows. And if that is the case, maybe Apple will still probably release both models or both variants of the 256 and the 512 gigabyte model options. But really, guys, that is the latest and greatest on the MacBook Neo 2. Are you excited for it? Are you going to get one when it does come out? Well, let me know in the comments below. And on that note as well, guys, it's time to wrap up the video too. So if you have enjoyed watching it, please do press the like button. As always, if you want to hear the latest Apple news, reviews and comparisons, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Until next time, guys, I'll see you really soon. Take care. Bye bye.